Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Guruji. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove text from an image. It's very simple, very easy. With just one tool I will show you how to remove text from the image, and the tool name is magic tool. I will show you step by step how to do it, so I will not take much time of yours. Let's get into it. So first of all I will go to Google. Okay, here is Google, and now I will write in to find an image. Like I will write unsplash.com. I am using this website as it is doing good for me. Their images are of high quality and they have got very good collection. So I will search for a image for our work. So something like, okay, here you can see here it is a lot of detailing on the background, and it will be easy to teach you how to remove the text from an image. So first of all I will download it for free. It's free, you can use it anywhere, but you have to make some changes, make some edits if you are using it commercially. So here it is downloaded. I will show in folder, and I will copy the file or image to Adobe Photoshop, and I will release. When you can see there is plus copy option, so it will create a new document for it. So here it is. I have the move tool selected. I will click on Ctrl plus 0, so it is now on 0 zoom. Now I will go and select text tool and will write something like zoom. Okay, I have written it. Now here in the layers window, you can see there is a text layer created, and I will select it from here. Now here it is selected. I will enlarge the size of it to something like this. It's okay. I will change the color to white. Here it's white, and I will change the text to something like that is a bit bold. Okay, here it is. It's good. So now I have the text over the image. As you can see, these two are separate layers here. I have the background layer and the text layer, and they both are separate. Okay, so here is the text. I have placed it over the image. Now I will combine them. So for that I will go, first of all I will group them. Here is a group, and they are now in a single form, but still I have to create a single image from it. So I will go and find something, convert to smart object. Okay, so now it is a single image. You can see here I don't have any authority to remove the zoom from the image from on my own will. So I will use magic tool to remove it, and I will show you how to use it. So I will first of all, okay, let's keep it to smart object. Okay, so now I will press Ctrl plus to zoom in. So here I can see this text and which I want to remove from the image. So for this you will go to toolbar, and the fourth option, the fourth tool, it's for me on this this version. It may be different on some others, but it's the tool name is magic tool, magic wand tool. Here it is. So what you have to do, once you have selected this tool, go and click on the letters you want to remove from the image. I have clicked it, and you can see it is selected. Okay, so now I will press shift key and click on the another letter. If I will not press shift key, the previous selection will be deselected and the new selection will be made. So for this you have to press shift and select, shift and select. So you can see here all of these are selected. So what you will have to do is to go to filter, sorry, not filter, select, modify and expand, and from here you will need to expand it a bit, like 3% or 2%. It's on your will, and you will see it's expanded a little bit. If you want to expand it more, you can go again, select, modify, expand. I will go for 5. Okay, you can see it's expanded a bit. So now what I will do is simply press shift plus backspace. It says could not complete your request because the smart object is not directly editable. Okay, so what I will do, I will rasterize the layer. Here my layer is rasterized, and now I will press shift plus backspace. Okay, so here you can see contents. Please check that your contents are not on white. Select content aware, click on color adoption, mode will be normal and opacity will be 100. These are the settings, and then click OK. And now it's doing some magic for you, as its name magic pen tool. Wait for it. It will not take so much long, so let it do its job. Okay, so you can see our text is removed, and I have got a plain image again. So in this way you can remove any text or any watermark from the image if you want. So that's all from today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, go below and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon so you will be able to get notifications of the videos I will upload soon. I will see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.